Oh, narinig ko Jomar Dachille doon sa Ring A. One of isa sa mga laging naglalaban sa competition yan,
Yes,
Jomar
yung mga
Dachille.
Dachille, no?
Oo. So lahat ng fans niya, lahat ng pamilya niya, susunod na po yung laban niya sa Ring A.
Yes. Abang-abang lang kayo no doon sa Cordova Brother. Mamaya malalaman natin kung saang ring siya. Kasi sa ngayon, we just know the boxers that are fighting in front of us. No? Hindi natin alam yung mga upcoming bouts.
Partner ko partner Rika, people continue to trickle in dito sa Grand Ballroom ng Elorde. This event is free to the public. Kaya kung kayo ay malapit lang sa Sukat Parañaque, we are inviting you to go and watch it live. Marami pa pong labang, around 50 more bouts para sa enjoyment ninyo.
At saan ka pa ba, partner? Dalawang ring ang sabay na pinaglalabanan ng mga boxers natin. Partner si Blue, no, parating leading with that hook, ano. Alam mo, maliban sa jab, pwede mo rin gamitin yung left hand mo.
Tama.
With the hook, no, or that leaping hook. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina na step back partner, no?
Oo.
Ano nilang ginagawa eh. Lalo itong nandito sa, I think, blue corner, no? Itong naka-blue na singlet, ano? Pero good instinct nitong red corner. Pag kumakapit sila parehas, nag-dirty boxing siya. Keeping active, no?
Pero both fighter are fundamentally sound. Alam nila yung ginagawa nila sa taas ng ring. Siguro bukod sa maraming mga laban, yung isa rin mga tinitignan yung alam nyo na ba yung fundamental sa boxing, yung basic fundamental. Yan siguro ang isa sa mga nagbubuklod kung ikaw ay isang beginners or advanced.
Tama.
Yan ay sa opinion ko lang lamang.
Tama yan, partner. Kasi yung mga advanced nga, actually sa national team, no? Kahit advanced ka na, may time na babalik ka pa rin talaga sa basic eh.
May tanong dito. Should Filipino boxing train under Shingo Inyoki? Pinoy need to change trainer. Local trainer is not capable of afraid progress. Some doesn't have the right recourse. Where Sir Edgar Valenzuela, ito opinion ko lang. Kung pupunta ako kay Shingo Inyoki at manonood ako at magsaliksik ako sa kagalingan niya, bakit hindi? 'Di ba? If I have the means and I have the way to study how he train, okay lang. I will do that. Pero changing trainers,
and to generalize that
Oo.
all local trainers are not capable. Medyo hasty naman yan na generalization because for your information, we also have boxing trainers who were former national team members. And meron din naman na iba. Alam mo, maraming factors yan. Hindi lang naman trainer yung problema dyan.
Siguro yung isang word lang dyan ang tatanggalin ko, yung capable.
Hindi, kasi para sa akin very simplistic to say na it's only the trainers kasi we should also recognize the fact na yung mga boxers natin have to make a living while they're boxing. Maybe it's something that we need to address too.
Yeah.
That the government doesn't support boxing at all. Kasi yung mga boxers sa Japan, they have the support of the government.
Yes, of course.
Training lang ginagawa nila. Here in the Philippines, most of our boxers need to
Trabaho.
be trainers,
Trabaho.
need to be construction workers, need to work just so they can live. I don't think that's an ideal setup for you to win. Diba? So it's not just the trainers that's the problem.
Economy factor is still a big factor in boxing. Tama ka. How do you feed your family without fighting? So, yun siguro nasagot ko na rin, Sir Edgar Valenzuela. Yung opinion ko lang po yun. Ems Halandon, watching here from Mandawi City. Thank you for watching. And sabi ni Christopher Aguilar, pa-shoutout daw kay Migs Abanyo. Thank you, Sir Daryl Nacario.
Here we go sa ring A, patuloy pa rin yung ating mga laban. Shout out Sir Daryl Nacario, maraming salamat po sa panonood.
Kahit papano tayo'y nakakapagbigay pa rin ng konting kasiyahan at handog sa ating mga kababayan.
Definitely, Basilio Versosa Alapuop. Shout out from Tacloban.
Ayos.
Body shot and shot to the head by the red corner. Ito si The Chile, sumagot naman with that hook up top. Shout out Sir Edward Probadora.
Justin Onabia, watching from Mindanao.
I see Michael Agustin, nalalaban din ito sa March 1. Shout out sa'yo, Michael, napakagandang rematch ito. Michael Agustin versus Dan Dacles.
Abangan ko yan. Napakagandang yan. Event on March 1, partner, no? March 1. Again, nandito tayo, dito pa rin yan magaganap for the pro edition naman.
By the red corner, si The Chile, good defense, mag-tight yung kanyang elbow, and then counters with hooks.
Malalaman natin doon sa ring A kung sino ang nanalo doon. Sabi ni Gravela Pasamero Gaile, pa-shoutout daw from Guimaras. Thank you po sa lahat ng